I'm Marshall Goldsmith. I got ranked #1 executive coach in the world and #1 leadership thinker in the world. I am here in Kuala Lumpur. I've had a fantastic day working with ITD. Everything was so well organized, so professional. I love ITD. I love the work they're doing. I love the entire team. Thank you so much for inviting me to work with you here in KL. I had a spectacularly positive experience.
I take away a lot of learnings, and I'm really glad that whatever I learned today will help me to become a better leader, to make more impact as a leader, and to apply these things also not just for my professional life, but also to become a better father, a better husband, and to really improve the quality of my life.
One of the key learning for me today to take back home is the habit change scorecard. That is a very practical way for me to reinforce and enhance my coaching skill.
Acara ini membuat saya berpikir kembali bahwa masih banyak hal yang masih bisa saya perbaikin dan masih banyak yang saya bisa improve buat banyak orang. So, saya sangat mengharapkan bahwa Anda semua bisa hadir di event-event berikutnya yang dilakukan oleh ITD karena will change your life and your network.